All right, guys. These cops got this guy down on the ground at gunpoint. Well, I don't know if they had him at gunpoint or not. These cops had him down. He was face down. This dude over here is yelling about something. Cops had him face down. He's still face down. They're handcuffing him or something. I think they're maybe Terry frisking him. Right here, guys. Let me zoom in. So now they're walking him to the car. The cop had him face down. The other cop came up really fast. They told him to hang on and do something, and the cop looked up at me. I don't know if that was coincidence or not, but they're Terry frisking him right now. Okay, we're locked in on him. Cop is searching him. Yeah, they had him face down on the ground. And there they're gonna do another frisk. Yeah, I have to have eyes in the back of my freaking head. Between the cops and the bootlickers, it's kind of dangerous out here. And I'm not even talking sheeple, I'm talking bootlicker. The cops are doing their jobs. Well, we don't know that. They might be harassing somebody for all we know. Now, I don't know why he was face down. I just seen the cherries and berries and I drove up here. He was face down. I went up and parked. They keep moving him or something, making his foot move. They just put him in the car. They said, fuck it. Yeah, that cop's getting him out of here, huh? Oh no, they're getting out. They're putting something in a bag. Oh, it sounds like pipes, because it sounds like glass clinking. Glass clinking? I thought I heard glass clinking. Like, you know, pipes or something. I'm not saying they were pipes, it went clink, clink, sound like glass. Yep, get out of here fast. You got a cameraman here. Move it quick. You got a cameraman here. So they're gonna pull in real quick here. He just threw something down or dropped something. I don't know what that was. They're coming up here now. Oh, that must be his truck right there. So they're gonna go through the truck. Let's get over there. Okay, we're on a sidewalk, so we're good. I don't think it's raining anymore. It's sprinkling a little bit, but it's not raining. Well, yeah, it is. Yeah, it's still raining. I just got hit in the face with raindrops. So they're searching this truck right here. I don't know if he abandoned the truck or how he ended up over here face down, but he was face down. So they're explaining now what happened. So there's the scene right there with the cops over here. We're gonna go on the other side real quick because I can't see them searching the car. So we don't know what they're doing. I'll just use my zoom. Let me come right here. Okay, we get it, we got it. So they're searching the vehicle right now. I'm gonna need to come over here where I can get a good vantage point at what they're doing. They have him in the back of this car. And that's my umbrella. Freaking, I tried to close it. I thought, it's just not raining no more. And it hit me right in the face, the raindrops. So it's still raining. It's like little big drops, or little big drops. It's like raining big drops too. I went by the Redlands driver's license checkpoint again on the way here to San Bernardino. And there are no, like one car went through while I was driving by, but there were no other cars. Like zero car, like the street is dark except for their little trailer sitting there and them all standing around talking. But no cars that I saw, when I drove through. So that's your taxpayer money, Redlands. Paying for them to enjoy a night hanging out together on citrus. Few cars here and there, but really not doing any real work. That's your tax dollars. And you say, well, they get California grants for that. Yeah, who do you think pays for the grants? Those grants aren't free to, it might be free to them, but it's not free. Somebody's paying for that grant money. I gotta pee so bad. Lady over here singing pathetic. I don't know what she's talking about. She's singing pathetic, whatever that means. So they're probably going to tow this vehicle as evidence for something. He's going to jail. Sorry I'm shaking. I'm having problems with my shoulder rotator. It's tightening up on me. The other cop left. I didn't really film him. He stopped here at the light and then took off when it went green. But I thought he would turn, drive by me, check me out, but he didn't. So they're checking his bag now. That's what the cop right there is checking, his backpack. So Wonder if it's still raining. Yeah, it's still raining a little bit. So I'm gonna keep my umbrella open. So I don't know how long I'll stay here. Coming up on 10 minutes now, unedited. And I've been doing that a lot, just letting the video run through with no edits. I know it makes for a long video, but I've seen a couple of videos now where cops are complaining that we are editing the videos to make them look bad. Like, oh yeah, well you guys edit the videos, you know? So this is, you know, that's why I've been doing a lot more YouTube videos straight through on the YouTube site itself. And then just tell the cops, well, I didn't edit it. You see me start it, you see it go, you see it stop. There's no edits. Sometimes I edit like an audit, you know, I mean, those are hour long. Knock them down to about 12 minutes. I'm moving a little bit because I have to pee. So he's searching, what is that? That's the backpack? And he's searching the truck. Yeah, he's searching the backpack. Yeah, I said the officer earlier in the video, I said he threw something down or dropped something. He may have just kicked something that was on the sidewalk. But I know just he crossed the sidewalk, I heard a clink, 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 clink. He may have just kicked something inadvertently, something that was laying there already. So I wanted to make that correction before the video is over. I don't know that he dropped or threw something down. He was just walking across there and I heard a bunch of clinking. So he may have kicked something. And it's almost 1 o'clock in the morning here, California. I have to get home. I was on my way home, really. And I seen the cherries and berries here at Baseline and Waterman, right? Yeah, Baseline and Waterman. Yeah, it is Baseline and Waterman because that's Stater Brothers over here to our left. They are really tossing this vehicle here. They are really tossing this thing, man. Oh, he's taking pictures of the inside. That's what he's doing. Get over there. He's taking pictures of the inside of it. Somebody's over there screaming something. What the hell is she screaming? Okay. Oh, they're behind me. Why is everybody in San Bernardino screaming about me filming the cops? Oh, there she is. There's a girl walking across the parking lot over here screaming. What the hell is she yelling about? behind me. All right, we're almost done. He's getting ready to take off. He's got the suspect, the evidence, they have the pictures, and they're gonna call for 1185 to tow it. I'm not gonna wait for that. There's no reason to wait on the tow. We will wait on this guy to leave with the suspect. Because, you know, if I leave and then they pull him out of the car to question him and beat him down, he probably won't, but it's happened before nationally, you know, across the nation. Officers do that kind of shit all the time. So we'll wait until he leaves. Maybe. I gotta pee so bad right now. I'm trying to take deep breaths, hoping that it'll pass, but I think I'm too far gone. Yeah, but I might cut it now because this is just us standing here. I'm gonna just fade off, I think. Let's come over here. We can get a good view of the police car right here. Oh, I thought that was a tow truck. So he's inventorying it for the tow, I think. Yeah, I might have to cut out. I'm sorry, guys. But I gotta get out of here. Pretty much got the gist of it. Suspect's going to jail. Car's getting towed. Cops let me film. Thank you. News Now Ukaipa. Let me film up the street a little bit in case we run into some problems up here. Don't want to do that. But, old man sitting at the bus stop. He's like, what the hell? Who are you? All right, guys. News Now Ukaipa. I'm out.